Righto, well, friends are great to have. Most of the time, we end up sharing secrets, aspirations, and dreams, and that's fine, right? Well, according to J.R. Thorpe, lifestyle writer for Bustle magazine, there are some things you should reconsider sharing with your friends, and we have a list, 5 things that perhaps you should consider sharing with your friends. I think it depends on who your friend is, or what you call a friend.
That's it.
Because depends some friends are closer than family.
Yes, depends on who's your friend. And you should know your friend. You should know which friend is able to process what type of information. Who's going to be the friend that's probably going to tell other people? Who's going to be the friend that's going to keep talking about it? So you have to know your friend and know what to tell them.
That's a lesson I learned in high school. I thought I had a lot of friends in high school, and then things happened that showed me that your friend circle shouldn't really be too extensive.
There's a memory gem. Have many friends, treat them well, but never to them your secrets tell. Because when your friends become your foe, the whole world.
Your secret, no.
Your secret, no.
Okay.
So the first thing, traumatic episodes from your past. And this says, if you've been unlucky enough to suffer from something traumatic, they say it's good to share, but then some people are not going to give you helpful responses, even if it's your dearly beloved friend. So if it's not going to be helpful, maybe it's not such a good idea to share it, and I agree.
But back to your initial point, you should know or you can tell that.
Yeah.
Because if you are surprised by a response that somebody who you thought was your friend gave you, chances are you never really knew that person at all, I'm thinking. Because sometimes you can gauge, the responses that you can get. So if somebody who you have for 20 years, you tell them, say, boy, they're getting beaten left, right, and center, and them say, Chairman is love him, love you, stay. That ain't your friend. Ain't your friend.
Or them say, yeah, idiot, you should have left long time. Still not your friend.
Yeah. Goals that they wouldn't necessarily understand.
Absolutely.
So good friendship usually involves a realistic view of each other's limitations. So we ask a lot of our friends, but their understandings of life are their own. And they might not get certain things. They might not understand why you want kids, or you want to move to India, or to become a CEO, or to retire by the time you're 40. They don't get it.
Or go back to school.
Well, you
go back to school for you already have one job.
Choose to get unmarried. Sometimes they want to know, like, why you want to do so many things. Or why you want to do so few things. Just because I want to.
I'm sure some people tell Tiger Woods, say, look here, Tiger, you did done make a name. Stop embarrassing yourself. Nobody try go no more tournament. Just go home and leave it alone. Now, Tiger,
there's a video going around on social, actually, of him watching
people saying that thing for going yard.
Go to his yard. The only thing he should be thinking about now is retirement.
Yeah.
And there are some friends, folks who are embedded in your circle who don't really want to see you climb, I mean, they call themselves friends, but when you tell them about the good things that are happening, I see any page tweet. If somebody feels dispirited by your progress, that's somebody that you need. It's not a competition.
No.
So you see some friends and them watching daily climb and them watch daily would have play them and them do have a good thing to
say. You know rest how much play you go right.
Stop no and
you know right enough play, you go right no more?
Watch it. And if you're watching and it's stirring something in your mind now about that friend, you might want to look into that friend. All right.
Your intimate health details are those of your family. Particularly of your family. Because I think that's people's personal business and they should be the one to share it. Unless they've given you permission to. Or unless it's the obvious. But yeah.
This one is critical.
Yeah.
Other people's secrets. The strictures of friendship don't mean that you automatically get to override your loyalty or promises to other people.
Yes.
So you are not obligated to tell your friends the secrets of your spouse, your co-workers, or your parents.
True.
So if somebody tells you something and says, can you hold it in the strictest confidence?
Yes.
For some people, that means let me just go and tell my circle of people.
Look, man, it's
Don't
a
do
small
it.
world. It's
Yeah.
a small world. I could have telling her some things where I know happen in real life, but then people don't know who and who. But I've seen situations where people have gone to share information with someone, and then that person is sharing it with a family member, not realizing that the
Connection.
someone and the family member was the person she was in the relationship with. And it caused one...
Well, I know that story that make my head hurt me.
Yes.
Make me process it. So the person was...
So you come to me and you said, Taylor, you know, I'm dating a guy, but it's not working out. And guess I'm dating Marvin, it's not working out. And then I met Aubrey. And I like Aubrey. And I think maybe, you know, I could move on from Marvin to Aubrey.
Are you and Marvin a cousin?
Yeah, and then I go tell Jody now, I said, Jody, you know, Simone said she want to move on from Marvin to Aubrey. And Jody and Marvin.
Oh. You know, Delia, sometimes I wonder where you get the the inspiration to write your plays. But
And
it
then
makes a
Jody
whole lot
said,
of sense now.
Marvin, you didn't know, so Simone I give on with Aubrey? Yeah, man, me I tell you, people.
That story is so disturbing for so many
Yes,
reasons,
let me
but
tell
I'm just
you.
going to move on.
Talk about movies. Find some joke in a
I can't give you about Marvin because...
Talk about the animals, them. Not talk about people business with other people.
You see,
It don't.
Marvin asked me about Bun now.
Marvin, Marvin can ask about Bun. Marvin is a single man. He shouldn't be asking that question. What you said, Arrow?
Only Bun I'm giving is a
What you
spice
said,
bun.
Arrow? Tell me now, Arrow, what you saying?
All right, the last one is your true feelings about their partner or choices. I always hear Delia say this. I struggle with this though. What if they ask you?
If they ask you, there's always a diplomatic way to say it.
But if they're your real friend, they know exactly what you're saying.
I can tell you next week as part of my stand-up, if you say, oh, Pastor Dumas, tell me, Pastor, respond to questions by not responding to the question. Yeah.
Well, sometimes you respond and it causes a lot of problem.
Yeah, but Pastor Dumas have a nice way. I think men should learn from some things from, not all things, some things from Pastor Dumas.
Because your friends, typically they'll go through stuff and they'll come to you and they'll say, what do you think about X? Are you saying
But you have to know your
not...
friend, because let me tell you what I don't like with some friends though. Them want to tell Sheffield say mean, but she don't want to be the one to tell him say mean. So she come and she says, Simone, you know what Sheffield did? I go to him house, him lock me in the house. Because I don't get the keys, so I'm going to work, I'm lock up in the house.
And don't even have a glass of water.
And then I say, all right, since I lock up in here, I'm thirsty, I'm going to drink some water.
And no water in
the house. Him not have no tea bag. I lock up, I can go outside, go pick piece of mint and make some tea for myself. And Simone said, what? That's awful, he's so mean. So I see Sheffield now, I say, honey, you know, Simone think you mean, you know. Simone think you mean. I'm just, Simone think me mean? Yeah, because I don't want to be the one that, so me no.
But I'd be okay with that if I did say he was mean. That's okay. If he confronts me, I'm cool with that.
I don't know. I have to understand
if
the friend where ask
then
me.
you're just mean.
Benji, I have to understand the friend where ask me. Some friend will ask and you can give them your viewpoint and them take it and for what it is. Some of them, after them done, then you stop hear from them. Because when you say what? Because after Sheffield, after me tell Sheffield, say Simone mean. When me say, we're going out, yeah, but I'm not going to with Simone. I'm not going to with Simone because she's mean. I'm not going to with Simone.
It's a good thing because next time we go somewhere and then you want me pay for fee.
And then you see it start. You see the friendship start. And you see Sheffield out the road and you say, hey, Chef, and him go so.
Or ride you over with him bike. It's true. You have to be careful. That's a fact. That's the takeaway from today's
I like to respond to them. So you think Sheffield mean? I say, what do you think? Yeah. What do you? You know him better than me.
You would know.
You know him better than me. You think he mean?
What does your gut tell you?
And she said, no, really. I'm going to say, what did I mean then? Yeah. If we say, what you think, I should say mean, we say, we'll see it there.
Gauge.
Yeah, man, experience teach you.
Yeah.
You experience wisdom in a
Wisdom.
Benjamin, say Pastor Dumas. Remember me tell you, him know if you answer everybody the right way. That's girl too.
Guys, if you want to hear more of Dahlia's advice, check her out at 100 tonight on Hope Road. 100 on Hope Road. She's doing stand-up comedy and she has more advice.
Dumas.
Oh no, we'll soon come back.
Pastor Dumas.